This is the Removu R1 Plus. Hey YouTube, today we're going to be taking a look at this Removu R1 Plus. It's a waterproof Wi-Fi live viewer for GoPro. I intend to use this with my GoPro Hero Session 4. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So here's the Removu. Nice little box, place for a strap. In this other box we have a USB cable. And we have a wrist strap, I guess that goes through here. We have some stickers. And we have the instruction manual. So let's see how we make this thing work now. Alright, so the very first thing we should do with this is update the firmware on this thing. This thing here says to go to www.removu.com R1 Plus firmware and download the firmware for this. It's pretty simple. All you do is you plug the USB cable into it and just follow the instructions on screen. There are 2 files you need to download. Just copy to the Removu, reboot it, and that's it. So now that the firmware is updated, let's go ahead and check this thing out and see if we can make it work with this camera. So I charged this thing up a little while ago. You didn't have to watch that on camera. And the first thing we want to do is turn the thing on. Hold the power button down for 2 seconds and it turns on. So we're going to connect this to our Hero Session 4. Just got to turn the Wi-Fi on. You'll see this little light here flashing, and it'll tell you that no camera SSID detected. Wait just a second. There we go. It says when the camera network, select your camera's network. And now we need to enter the password for that network. Now it's pairing with the camera. And there we go. Now, Removu is paired with the camera. And we can start recording. And you can see on the Removu what you're seeing on the camera. And we're going to test this out. So it's a messy, nasty day out, but I want to show you exactly what's on the Removu is exactly what's being shown on the GoPro. So here's a look at the Removu. I hope you could see it. It's going down the street into the woods. It's the exact same thing on the Removu as what you're seeing on the GoPro. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you on the next one.